Hopper. What? 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 Mow, what? What? Can't see you down there. You want picked up? Come here. Come here, you stinky cat. Come here. Come here. Boone's freaking... Get out of here, Boone. Let me hold him in peace without you all up in his face. Go away. Don't be sneezing on me, Boone. Rude. It's been a long stream. It's putting a whole shift.
You've been streaming for eight hours?
6.5.
6.5. It's pretty long. Pranking is kind of bad. True, kind of.
You're so fluffy. You're so soft. You're such a soft kitty. Peyton's cat loves me. When I take Boone outside, he like comes and guards the door and then waits for me to come back in.
Who, Boone? You
No,
said?
the cat.
Oh yeah, he
Chocolate.
sits on the window?
He sits on the window, so waiting for me to come back in.
I seen that. He's so cute.
Boney, leave him alone. I wonder why Sunshine appears offline.
I don't know. Some people just like to. Maybe they're just that famous?
I'm not listening to a song right now, goodbye.
Which hero do you think you want to be today?
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Now, who am I gonna banish from this match?
Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting.
Do you want to get rid of Panther?
Kind of want to get rid of Wolverine. Oh.
He's saying don't ban Wolf.